Do not hurt me. I will do the best I can. I will work. Oh, okay, I will work. I will go. I will work. What do you want with me? If that is what you want, I will work. I will obey. Our work is complete. This is hard work. I will work. I will work. I'm hungry. Can I have some shoes? I will work. Cannot we live in peace? The enemy. You change your mind often. Oh, I will work. Okay, I will work. Finished with the building. Building construction has been completed. I'm just a peasant. I will do the best I can. I will work. Cannot we live in peace?
Be on watch for the enemy.
If that is what you want, I will obey. What do you want with me?
Be on watch for the enemy.
Cannot we live in peace? Do not hurt me. This is hard work. Cannot we live in peace?
Be on watch for the enemy.
Oh, okay, I will work. Construction has been completed. What you want. That was a lot of Cannot work. We live in peace?
Be on watch for the enemy.
I am finished.
A warrior has fallen.
Be on watch for the enemy.
That building will fit there. I will do what I must.
Be on watch for the enemy.
A warrior has fallen.
I will try to hurry. I will obey.
Be on watch for the enemy. Be on watch for the enemy.
A warrior
Cannot
has
we
fallen.
live in peace?
Be on watch for the enemy. Must be safe there. Shh! I sense danger. It's getting there. The enemy.
I will work.
Be on watch for the enemy. Will protect us. The land must be
I
preserved.
will work.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I will
Be
work.
on watch for the enemy.
I will work.
Be on watch for the enemy. Be on watch for the enemy.
I will work.
I sense danger maybe near. The tunnel will protect the tunnel. Watch for the enemy.
I will work.
Be on watch for the enemy. Guarding the GLA underground.
I will work.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I will work.
I sense danger maybe near.
A warrior has fallen.
Be on watch for the enemy. We will not be oppressed. Let's fight. Be on watch for the enemy.
I will
Be
work.
on watch for the enemy. Guarding the GLA underground. Be on watch for the
I
enemy.
will work. That was a
I'm
lot
just
of
a
work.
peasant.
This is
Be on watch
hard
for the
work.
enemy.
I will work.
Well done, General.
If that
You
is
have
what
reached
you
a
want,
Be
higher
on watch
rank.
for the enemy.
Are there not better tools? I will work.
We have captured the building. Be on watch for the enemy.
This
I
hammer
will
is just a
work.
peasant.
Be on watch
This
for
is
the enemy.
hard work. Okay, I will work. If that is what you
I will
want.
Be on watch for the enemy.
This hammer is
Well done, General.
okay,
You
I
have
will
reached
work.
a higher rank.
Be on watch for the
I
enemy.
will work. I will obey.
Be
Are
on
there
watch for
not
the
better
enemy.
tools?
I will work.
Okay, I will work. There's not enough room
warrior
for
Be on
that
watch for
fallen.
the
building.
enemy.
I will work.
Be on watch for
I
the
will
enemy.
obey.
For the enemy.
Are there not better tools?
One gusty brother center.
Well done,
Be on
General.
watch for
You
the
have
enemy.
reached a
Watch
higher
your
rank.
step. I sense danger maybe near. Be on watch for the enemy. Guarding the GLA underground. Be on watch for the enemy. What's the job?
I will work.
Our base is in peril. Enemy.
Well done, General.
Quick,
You have
ready
reached a
yourself.
higher rank.
A new camo netting has arrived.
I will
Be on
work.
watch for the enemy.
A warrior has fallen.
Bring the GLA underground.
I will work.
Shh! I sense danger may be near.
Do not hurt me.
That
is what you want.
Eyes at your disposal.
A warrior has
I am
fallen.
waiting. Watch for the enemy.
Very right
A lot of work. I'm hungry. I will do what I must. I will obey. This is hard work. Our work is finished with the building. I'm just a peasant. I will try to hurry.
The higher
Building
order
construction
shall
has been
reign.
completed.
The tunnels will protect
Building
us. Over
construction
there.
has been completed.
Quick, grab for
Building
shelter.
construction has been completed. A lot of work.
I sense danger may be near. The tunnels will protect us. Land must be preserved. Guarding the GLA underground. Be on watch for the enemy.
Building construction has been completed. Building construction has been completed.
Be careful. We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I'm hungry. Yes.
Be on
Are
watch
there
for the
not
enemy.
better tools? That was a lot of work.
Shh! I sense danger may be near.
What do you want me? I'm just a peasant. I'm hungry. I will try to hurry. I'm just a peasant.
A warrior has fallen.
Let us see what they are up to.
Oh, okay, I will work. If that is what you want. I will obey. I will do what I must.
Quick, ready yourself. We will be safe in there. The tunnels will protect us. Quick, ready yourself. Let's get in there.
Do not hurt me. I will help. I am finished with the building.
Be on watch for the enemy. Be on watch for the enemy.
Our
Be on
work
watch
is
for the
complete.
enemy.
That was a lot of work. Our work is complete.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Yes. This is hard work. Thank you for the new shoes.
We have discovered an enemy black lotus.
Camo netting has arrived. Camo netting has arrived. New camo netting has arrived.
Our work is complete.
We have more buggy ammo
Land
now.
must be preserved. The tunnels will protect. Let's get in there.
Upgrade complete.
Let's kick up some dirt.
Our courage will be seen by all. We
Be
must
on watch
take
for the
what is
enemy.
ours.
I will do the best I can. Our work is complete.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Let's kick up some dirt.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Our work is complete.
Be on watch. The GLA underground.
Let's kick up some dirt. We have 80
Ready
rockets
yourself.
now.
Let's get in there. Be on watch for the enemy.
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus.
I will go.
General, Anthrax Beta upgrade is here.
Be on
We
watch
can
for the
now
enemy.
use our Scud Storm. Launching Scud Storm.
Let's kick up some dirt.
Be on watch for the enemy. Be on watch for the enemy.
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus.
Be on watch for the enemy.
We can now use our Scud Storm. Launching Scud Storm.
We are upgrading to armor-piercing bullets.
Nothing is private. Lurking eyes at your disposal. Expanding service area. Let us tune in.
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus. Launching Scud Storm.
Lurking eyes at your disposal. Lurking eyes at your disposal.
General, a nuclear missile has been released. Launching Scud Storm. We can now use our Scud Storm. A warrior has fallen. Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the
What
enemy.
supplies to carry?
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus. Be careful. We have spotted
okay,
a
I
nuclear
will
missile
work.
silo.
I will do what I must. Do not hurt me.
A warrior has fallen.
That building cannot fit there.
We can now use our
You
Scud Storm.
change your mind often.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
Launching Scud Storm.
Be on watch for the enemy. Lurking eyes at your disposal.
A warrior has fallen. We can now use our Scud Storm.
Be on watch for the enemy. Lurking eyes at your disposal. Be on watch for the enemy.
A warrior has fallen.
I'm hungry. This is hard work.
Be on watch for the enemy. On watch for the enemy.
Launching Scud Storm.
Be on watch for the enemy. On watch for the enemy.
Our work is complete. Our work is complete.
Be on watch for the
We have
enemy.
discovered
Watch for the
an enemy Black Lotus.
Be on watch for the enemy.
fallen.
Building construction has been completed.
Yes.
We can now use our
I
scud
am
storm.
finished with the building.
What's the job?
Our Jarman Kell has been seen by the enemy, launching scud storm.
Puncture the next thing.
I will work. I will work. I will work.
We can now use our scud storm.
The tunnels will protect us. Run for shelter.
No one escapes.
Puncture the next thing that moves.
Shh! I sense danger maybe near. Quick, run for shelter.
Cannot we live in peace?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Are there not better tools? Do not hurt me. I do what I am told. Building construction has
Puncture
been
the next thing.
completed.
Camo netting has arrived. Camo
Let us
netting
see
has
what
arrived.
they are up Keep me out of sight. Let's go where it is safe.
What? Going. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus.
Cannot we live in peace?
We can now use our scud storm.
I'll puncture the next
That
thing
is
that
what
moves.
you want. Yes, I will go.
Puncture the
Building
next thing that
construction has been completed.
Quick, ready yourself.
What do you want with me? This is
The
hard
tunnels will
work.
protect us. Be safe in there.
I'm hungry. Cannot we live
We
in
can
peace?
now use our scud storm.
Don't get on my bad side. 4 on the floor. Huh? I'll get there.
That was a lot of work.
Shh! I sense danger maybe near.
I'm hungry.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our courage will be seen by all. No cost is too great. Yes, I go. Clear them out.
We can now use our scud storm.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
What do you want with me? I will do what I must.
The building belongs to us
Do
now.
not hurt me.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
This hammer is heavy. Oh, okay, I will work. That's a lot of supplies.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
The higher
Puncture
order
the next
shall
We can
reign.
now use our scud storm.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
We have captured the building.
What? Yes. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I am finished with the building. I'm hungry. That was a lot of work.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
That building cannot fit there. Are there not better tools?
No cost is too great. We must take what is ours. We have captured the building.
We can now use our scud storm.
The higher order shall reign. We must acquire new land.
The next thing that moves.
A new camo netting has arrived. 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 Camo netting has arrived. Camo netting has arrived.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our work
The
is complete.
building belongs to us now.
The new camo netting has arrived. Camo netting has arrived. The new camo netting has arrived. Camo netting has arrived. The new camo netting has arrived. Camo netting has arrived. New camo netting has arrived. Camo netting has arrived. The new camo netting has arrived. New camo netting has arrived.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Huh?
We have
I'll
captured
get
the building.
there. What? Yes, yes. I'll puncture the next thing. I'll puncture the next thing.
The new camo netting has arrived.
Huh? Going. Quad cannon. Don't push me. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
The new camo
The
netting
junk
has
repair
arrived.
upgrade has been installed.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Don't get on my bad side. I do not have patience for this. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Launching scud storm.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Launching scud storm.
Lurking eyes at your
Puncture the next
disposal.
thing that moves.
Launching scud
Eyes at
storm.
your disposal. Lurking eyes at your disposal.
What do you want with me?
A warrior has fallen.
I can't build there. This hammer is heavy. Do not hurt me. I can't build there. I will do what I must.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
The new camo netting has arrived.
I will work. I'm hungry.
I'll
I
puncture
will
the
work.
next thing that
This
moves.
is hard
Our
work.
work
is complete. Yes.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I will do the best I can. I'm just a peasant. I will work. I will do what I must.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will work. Building construction has been completed.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will work.
The new camo netting has
I'll puncture
arrived.
the next thing that moves.
I will work.
I'll
I will
puncture the
work.
next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I will
Lurking
work.
eyes at your disposal.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing
I
that
will
moves.
work. Our work is complete. I will work. I am finished
I'll
with the
puncture the
building.
next thing that moves.
I
I'll puncture the
will
next
work.
thing that
Okay,
moves.
I will
Puncture the
work.
next thing
It's a
that
lot of work. I will work. This is hard work.
I'll
Yes,
puncture the next thing that moves.
I will work.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture
There's
the
not
next
enough
thing
room
that
for
moves.
that
Netting has
building.
arrived.
I will work. There's not enough room for that building. Are there not better tools? I'm just a peasant.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture
There's
the
not
next
enough
thing
room
that
for that
moves.
building. This is hard work.
Quad
I will
cannon.
work.
Yes, yes. Four on the floor. I'll puncture the
That
next
is a
thing
lot
that moves.
of work.
Puncture the next puncture the next thing that moves. What? I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
That was a lot of work.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Puncture the next thing that moves.
Building construction has been
I'll puncture
completed.
the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
We can now use our scud storm. We can now use our scud storm.
Puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Puncture the next thing that moves.
We can now use our scud storm.
Don't get on my bad side. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Puncture the next
I'm
thing that
hungry.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Puncture the next thing that moves.
Do not hurt me. Are there not better tools?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Huh?
I am
Don't
finished
push
with the
me.
building.
What? I'll puncture the next quad cannon. Yes, yes. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Yes. My hands have splinters.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I'm just a peasant. I will try to hurry. Oh, okay, I will work. You change your mind often. I'm just a peasant.
We will not be oppressed.
What do you want with me? Building construction has been completed. Oh, okay, I will work. Yes, my hands have splinters. What do you want? That's a lot of supplies. I'm just a peasant. I will do what I must.
What? I'll puncture the next thing that moves. 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 I'll
I'm
puncture the
hungry.
next thing that moves. I'll
This
puncture the
hammer
next
is
thing that
heavy.
moves. I'll puncture the next
Cannot
thing
we
that
live in
moves.
peace?
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture
Oh,
the next puncture the next thing
okay,
that
I
moves.
will work. I will do what I must.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll
Yes,
puncture the next thing that moves.
I
I'll
will try
puncture
to
the next
hurry.
thing that moves. I'll puncture the next puncture the
Building
next thing that
construction
moves.
has been completed.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that
Don't get on my bad side. Don't push me.
I'll puncture
Do
the
not
next thing
hurt
that
me.
moves. I'll puncture the next thing that
That
moves.
was a lot This of hammer work.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our work is complete.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll
I'm
puncture
just a
the next thing
peasant.
that moves. I'll
I'm
puncture
hungry.
the next thing that moves.
I will go.
I'll puncture
Cannot
the
we
next
live
thing
in
that moves.
peace? Oh, okay,
I'll
I
puncture the
will
next thing
work.
that moves.
Cannot we live in
I'll puncture the
peace?
next thing that moves.
Oh, okay,
I'll puncture the
I
next
will
thing-
work.
The next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
What do you
I'll
want?
puncture the next thing.
Okay, here I go. I'm just a peasant.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Building
I'll puncture the
construction
next
has
thing
been
that moves.
completed. Do not hurt me. I will try to hurry. I'm just a peasant. That was a lot of work. My hands have splinters. I'm hungry. Okay, here I go. I'm just a peasant. I'm hungry. What do you want with me? I'm just a peasant. I will obey. Cannot we live in peace? I'm hungry. I do what I am told. I will obey. Do not hurt me. I will obey.
What? I do not have patience for this. Don't get on my bad side. I'll get there. Don't get on my bad side. Yes. Quad cannon. I do not have patience for this. Four on the floor. I'll get there.
Land must be preserved. We will be safe in there.
Launching Scudstone.
Yes. I'm hungry.
A
I do
warrior
what
has
I am
fallen.
told. I will obey. Yes. I will carry as much as I can. What do you want with me? Cannot we live in peace?
The new camo netting has arrived. The new camo netting has arrived. The new camo netting has arrived.
Launching Scudstone.
Quick, ready yourselves.
What? Yes, yes. Going. Yes, yes. Huh? What? Quad cannon. Yes, yes. Huh? Don't push me. I do not have patience for this. Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Don't get on my bad Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Don't get on my bad side. Quad cannon.
Our land must be preserved.
Huh? What? Four on the floor. Huh? Yes. Quad cannon. What? Don't push me. Quad cannon. Four on the floor. Huh? Going. Quad cannon. Don't push me. Huh? What? Don't push me. Don't get on my bad side. What? Don't get on my bad side. Huh? I'll get there. Four on the floor. Huh? I do not have patience for this. Quad cannon. Four on the floor. I do not have patience for this. Don't get on my bad side. What? Don't push me. I do not have patience for this.
The new camo netting has arrived.
Don't get on my bad side.
Launching Scudstone. We can now use our Scudstone.
Four on the floor.
A warrior has fallen.
Huh? I do not have patience for this. Quad cannon going. Four on the floor. Quad cannon. I'll get there. Four on the floor. Don't push me.
Launching Scudstone.
Huh? Going.
We can now use our Scudstone.
What? Don't get on my bad side. What? I do not have patience for this. Huh? What? Don't get on my bad side. What? Don't get on my bad side. Huh? What? Going. I do not have patience for this. Stop them dead in their tracks.
A warrior has fallen.
They will break and shatter. What is it?
Launching Scudstone.
on the floor. Start the machinery.
A warrior has fallen.
What? Don't push me. Don't get on my bad side.
A warrior has fallen.
What? Quad cannon. They will break and shatter. They are brittle.
A warrior has
Begin
fallen.
stitching. They are brittle. Begin
A warrior
stitching.
has fallen.
Start the machinery. Punch it.
A warrior has fallen.
4 on the floor. Going. Huh? Don't get on my bad side. 4 on the floor. Yes, yes.
We can now use our
Don't get
scud
on my
storm.
bad side.
Launching scud storm.
Huh? What? Don't push me.
A warrior has fallen.
Quad cannon.
A warrior has fallen.
Don't get on my bad side. Quad cannon. I do not have patience for this. What?
A warrior has fallen.
Quad cannon. I do not have patience for this. Yes, yes.
We can now use our scud storm.
Don't push me. Going. I'll get there.
A warrior has fallen.
I do not have patience for this. They are brittle. I'll get there. Punch it. Begin stitching. They will break and shatter. They are brittle. Start the machinery.
A warrior
Begin
has
stitching.
fallen.
They are brittle. Begin stitching. Stop them dead in their tracks. I do not have patience for this.
A warrior has
Start the
fallen.
machinery. They will break and shatter. Punch it. Start the machinery. They are brittle. Begin stitching.
A warrior has fallen.
They are brittle. Start the machinery. I'll get there. Going. They will break and shatter. Punch it.
We can now use our scud storm.
Stop them dead in their
A
tracks.
warrior has fallen.
They are brittle.
Launching scud storm.
Four on the floor. Yes, yes. It's mine. Begin stitching. They will break and shatter. Start the machinery. Begin stitching. They will break and shatter. Point it. Start the machinery. Don't push me. Huh?
A warrior has fallen.
What? I'll get there. Don't get on my bad side. Quad cannon. What? Don't get on my bad side. Begin stitching. They will break and shatter.
A warrior has fallen.
They are brittle. I'll get there. Begin stitching. They will break and shatter.
We can now use our skills. A warrior has fallen.
Start the machine. They will break and shatter. One hit. Begin stitching. One hit. They will break and shatter.
A warrior has fallen.
Stop them dead in their tracks. One hit. Begin stitching. Stop them dead in their tracks. One hit. Start the machinery.
A warrior has fallen.
Stop them dead in their tracks. One hit. Stop them dead in their tracks. Yes, yes. Don't push me. Begin stitching. I do not have patience for this. They will break and shatter. Begin stitching. They will break and shatter. Begin stitching. Start the machinery.
We are launching Scuds.